Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at two generation apps, and they are Luma AI and elai.io. Now these two represent different sides of the AI video industry because Luma AI's primary use case is cinematic footage, VFX and 3D scenes, while elai.io, which is an AI video studio, is focused on training, HR and educational presentations. So when we look at their core technology, Luma AI has generative video models like Ray 3 and 3D and ERF, while elai.io has AI avatars, that is talking heads, and text to speech. When we look at their key output, Luma AI gives us high fidelity cinematic clips of up to 10 seconds, while elai.io gives us long form presentation videos of about 20 plus minutes. Then let's look at the main features. Luma AI's main features are text to video, image to video, 3D scan to model, and professional HDR of about 16 bits. When we look at that of elai.io, we're looking at 80 plus AI avatars, PPT URL to video, voice cloning, and interactive quizzes. When we look at the language support for Luma AI is limited because it focuses mostly on visual prompts, while that of elai.io is extensive because it has about 420 plus languages and accents. Now we look at the input method for Luma AI. It says text prompts, images, or 3D object captures, while that of elai.io is text scripts, PowerPoint files, or blog links. When we look at the pricing, Luma AI's pricing starts at $9.99 per month, and that of elai.io starts at around $23 per month for about 15 minutes of video. When we look at the target audience, Luma AI targets creative directors, game developers, and hobbyists, while elai.io targets corporate trainers, HR, and sales team. So the critical differences is in the generation and the presentation. Luma AI imagines a word from scratch, while elai.io presents information using a digital person who stands in front of a background and speaks your text. Now when you look at their workflow, Luma AI is for generating individual clips to be used in a larger edit, while elai.io is an all-in-one editor where you can build slides, add avatars, and export a finished multi-minute video. Then we look at the technical depth. Luma AI offers advanced professional tools like 16-bit HDR and 3D model exports, whereas elai.io focuses on business tools like SCORM exports and interactive video buttons. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.